Now you can open it.
Careful, careful.
What is it?
A dress.
Like who?
I don't know.
Like Belle?
Let's wear it.
Okay, we'll put it on. What a nice dress.
Can we put this?
Sure.
Why can't we look like Belle? I don't like people. Someday I'm going to be. What's
Can we
wrong
take
with
this off
this?
too?
Yeah, I don't think she needs the shirt. It looked like it had sleeves. Is it a pretty dress, Lincoln?
Yeah. It's sparkly.
Sparkly.
Don't you know that's the school?
I don't know if that's a school dress.
Can you spin around in it?
Wow, look at you.
Don't you know this to the necklace?
That's a good idea.
We can put my dress in here.
Is there anything else in here, Lincoln?
Yeah.
What else is in here?
And a dresser. What's that? That's my blankie.
Wow, what a nice blanket.
You can put it on my couch.
And
No.
put it on your bed.
Yeah, it's gonna go in your bed.
Very nice.
We can put it under my bed.
Under your bed?
Yeah.
Wow, look at you. Spin, spin.
Lincoln, who made it for you?
I don't know.
Who is it from?
From Grandma.
Grandma.
And that's from Grandma. This is from Grandma too.
That's right.
What do you say to Grandma Janae?
Thank you, Grandma. We can put this in here.